Matariki Winton School. I'm Ryan. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ramia, the 8th of May.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki, eke,
which is te reo for fish, as in te eke a Maui.
Ka pai. Okay, on to library news. The library is open on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's today.
School Council. You have a meeting today in the group room at 1 o'clock. Be on time. Kia ora.
Last week, room 12 were at technology making sauces. And
here are their promotional raps.
Ooh, I think that I found myself a cookie, nice and crunchy too. Nutritious, delicious, yummy in my tummy. Words! Ooh, baby! Caramel pops are the tops, healthy and yummy in my tummy. Feast on the list, they are delish. Yummy in my belly when I'm watching telly. Caramel pops are the tops, healthy and yummy in my tummy. Feast on the list, they are delish. Yummy in my belly when I'm watching telly. Chicken, chicken, whopper. Beery, with a bit of chocolate. Beery, beery, you can never go to school without a beery chocolate. Beery, beery, when you put it on your tummy, it's always yummy. Beery, beery, word.
I love berry sauce. Gimme, gimme.
okay, high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, I noticed about some of the grassy areas around the school. They're getting a bit boggy.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play
and making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
On to birthday news. 3 birthdays at Winton School today. Gina Anderson turns 13. Happy birthday, sis.
Malachi Todd turns 9.
And Kate Kane turns 7. Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great Friday birthday.
And tomorrow, Finn Red turns 7. Happy birthday, Finn.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite te wiki.
Haere rā, Winton School.